good morning. Today I want to make a vlog while at school because I don't have time to make a video at home. Earlier, I left earlier than usual because there was a ceremony. Every time there is a ceremony, the class that arrives last will be the ceremony official next Monday. After the ceremony, we will go to the multimedia room for informatics lesson. In the multimedia room, we will probably continue the assignment our teacher gave us at the beginning of Ramadan. Luckily, the assignments are done in groups. The group assignment is the first to determine the text for each person. Each group consists of 5 people. For the text, there is a project manager whose task is to prepare a schedule and monitor the progress of the project. The system analyst is responsible for analyzing the project, which is formatted like a flowchart. The system designer is responsible for modeling the application and creating system designer documentation. The programmer is responsible for writing program code, determining the appropriate algorithm strategy, documenting the program. The tester is responsible for creating the test scenario, conducting tests on the application created and documenting it. After all that is completed, the test is printed and made like a book. The assignment is finished, but on average, it only gets to making a flowchart because there are many revisions in that section.